Unit2, Unit2, you're going to hit them with the claws right there, Unit2. Hey, Unit2, Mod Squad said right there, Unit2. Hello, Unit2, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Okay, Mod Squad. Okay, Mod Squad. Tell old SwitchBlade go on and do his thing in that mobile. Tell him I ain't going to jump on his mobile. Tell him I ain't going to beat his mobile up too bad. I'm going to wait till he get home. I ain't going to run. I'm going to wait till he get home.
Right back, Unit2, Unit2. You said you ain't going to touch that SwitchBlade in the mobile. You're going to let him do what he got to do in that mobile. All right, there. Take your Unit2, take your SwitchBlade, take your pocket. You guys all have a good one. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu, right back. Aloha.
Don't worry about Unit2. Hey, Mod Squad, don't worry about number 2. That's a murderer. Mod Squad.
Right there, thing. You said don't worry about number 2. You said don't worry about Unit2. Hello there, once again, thing. You said don't worry about Unit2. Mod Squad gone. Right there, Unit2. You're going to hit them with the polar bears. You're going to hit thing with them polar bears. Hey, thing, watch out. You're going to hit you with the polar bears. Mod Squad gone. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad. I got that thing on him. I'm gone.
You got that thing on him. You got that thing on him, too. Hey, Unit2. Aloha.
I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Hello, Blue Dog, Mr. Worldwide PainKiller. Hello.
Bye, Unit2. Bye, Unit2. You got it. Aloha.
I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Oh, Mr. Worldwide Blue Dog. What's that? Mr. Worldwide PainKiller. Big John discussed today. Hey, Blue Dog.
Mod Squad, Honolulu. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Mr. Worldwide Blue Dog. Mr. PainKiller and John Deere tractor. That's down.
My PainKiller, I hear you jumping up and down in there too, that PainKiller. I ever go to PainKiller, Mod Squad, Honolulu, Hawaii. Hello, PainKiller. Hello, PainKiller. Take care, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. You can do it again. You can try that again. Mod Squad, try to get your 28. Mod Squad, try to get your 28. Mod Squad, Honolulu there. Come on. Rev.Dr.455, you got condition to that. Rev.Dr.455, you take him yourself too. Rev.Dr.455, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, Rev.Dr.455, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Hey, Mod Squad, tell 455, tell him I hit him with the polar bear. Tell him I hit him with the polar bear, Unit2, back quiet. Tell him when you get off the mouth.
Yeah, Unit2, you hit him with the polar bears. You hit Rev.Dr.455 with them polar bears too there. Hello there, once again, Unit2, take your Rev.Dr.455. Watch out for Unit2 out there, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back.
Man, why you waiting for John Deere? Good evening, ice cream man.
Bye, Unit2, Mod Squad gone. Unit2, you want to hit him again? Unit2, you want to hit him again? Hey, Unit2, I didn't hear him come back. I didn't hear him come back there. All right, Unit2, Mod Squad. Hello, Unit2, the Mobile in Honolulu. Aloha. And I'll catch you later too, man. I hear Birmingham, Alabama too in there. I hear the boys in Alabama jumping up and down too there. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Check in. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad, see how quick I keyed it right back down? I keyed it right back down to let you know I got it all, Mod Squad. Hey, Mod Squad, you still doing your magnetic, man. Hey, Mod Squad, keep up the good work with your mean bad self.
Right back, Unit 2, man. I got a condition hold in Mobile. I got a condition hold in Mobile in Honolulu. Take it, Unit 2. This Mobile like to hold condition. Mod Squad gone. Aloha. Work in the car, work in the car, work in the car. Mod Squad Honolulu, Mod Squad Honolulu, work in the car. Mod Squad Honolulu, work in the car. Mod Squad Mobile gone. Aloha. You see that right there? Mod Squad Mobile Honolulu. Mod Squad Mobile Honolulu. I'm coming out of the mini grass. Mod Squad Mobile deep on the west of the mini grass. Mod Squad gone. One 151 Birmingham, you take it. 151 Mod Squad, wave at you. 151 151 Birmingham, Mod Squad Honolulu. Hello, 151 Birmingham, Mod Squad Honolulu. Right back.
Right, you did that Mod Squad sound, and you sound just like you in my drive.
You have a good on 151 in Birmingham, Alabama, man. 151 Mod Squad Mobile, so you have a good evening time. 151 Mod Squad, 151 151 Mod Squad, bye. 151 151 Mod Squad Mobile. Aloha. Right there, I can talk to you. I can talk to you, Mod Squad Honolulu. Right there, big man on the east side. Big man on the east side. Mod Squad Mobile heard you, man. Take it, big man on the east side. Mod Squad Honolulu. Big man on the east side. You got Mod Squad in the Mobile Honolulu. Right back. Aloha.
Mod Squad, you rocking and rolling, you smoking and I ain't joking. Mod Squad in Honolulu. You got it going on downtown. Mod Squad, the big man on the east side of the Mississippi River Squad.
And that's a big man in Memphis, Tennessee, Roger, right there. Take a big man in Memphis, Tennessee, Mod Squad Mobile. So you got that mall down. Take a big man, Mod Squad Honolulu. I was looking at Unit 2 in the Razorback. I was looking at 151 in Alabama. But it's your time right there. Big man, Tennessee, Mod Squad Honolulu. Read the mail. Aloha.
Yeah, Mod Squad, Aloha, right back. You smoking and I ain't joking. Like I said, there's a whole lot of them back there behind you, man. On pineapple juice or somebody else. But you way out in front. Take care, Mod Squad. I am Mr. SmallDriver, the man that run the east side of the Mississippi River. From the Canadian border to the Florida Keys. All right, SmallDriver, got down and go.
And as a SmallDriver contact, SmallDriver, man, you're doing your stuff in Honolulu too there, SmallDriver. Take it, SmallDriver, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. SmallDriver, Mod Squad said you got the hammer down. SmallDriver, Mod Squad gone.
Hey, Mod Squad. I was coming. Hey, Mod Squad, you see our close team, but let you see all them boys back there hooping and hollering. Hey, Mod Squad, our slow team, so you can see all them boys back there hooping and hollering in their radio. Take care, Mod Squad. Aloha.
And I sure did, SmallDriver. I sure did see what you did, man. Hey, SmallDriver, you made them disappear. SmallDriver, you making them disappear now. SmallDriver, Mod Squad. Hello, SmallDriver, Mod Squad in the Mobile, Honolulu. Have a good one. Aloha.
Hey, Mod Squad, you've been doing it for a long time, man. You ain't just started. Hey, Mod Squad, for a long time, you done had that hammer down, man. Hey, Mod Squad, for a long time, you put a big stick and a big hammer down coming on this side of the water. And, man, I just want to let you know your mobile always sound good. Take care, Mod Squad, Mr. SmallDriver. The east side of the Mississippi River belongs to me. I see you.
You sure got it all there, SmallDriver. You got it all in my radio. All right, SmallDriver, you take care, man. Have a good one. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Mod Squad Honolulu say you got the hammer down, so you all take care. Mod Squad Mobile, back cruising the mini grass with my 4-pill mobile. And I'm standing by. Aloha.
It's real hard out here, talking skip. When the #1 man is dropping it, I got him something cussing on the radio. We gotta listen to the SmallDriver show. I got a sneaky beat made. When I see I get paid, base stations are free. And it's sneaky beat made. Take care, Mr. Worldwide, Mod Squad. Aloha.
Got it all, got it all. And I'll just let you hear how you sound. Check this out, man. Aloha.
You got that thing down too. I wish I had something to play you back. Hey, Mod Squad, you got that thing down too. I wish I had something to play it back so you can hear it yourself. Take care of Mod Squad, Mr. SmallDriver said. You got that thing down.
Right back, SmallDriver. Well, you know what, SmallDriver, I can play this back and let them know I'm not ghost talking. Watch this now. Aloha.
BodySnatcher, big leg on his soul. BodySnatcher, in the mail.
Hey, BodySnatcher, you take it also. BodySnatcher, Mod Squad Honolulu. Hello, BodySnatcher, Mod Squad Honolulu.
Hey, back, Mod Squad, Honolulu, BodySnatcher, down, big leg on his soul, got down.
Got it all, BodySnatcher. You take care, man. Enjoy the day. BodySnatcher, Mod Squad in the mini grass. Read the mail. Aloha. And you got it down. You got it down, BodySnatcher. You got it down. You're holding your own. Mod Squad Mobile. I got it all in the VideoGate. Check it out on YouTube. Mod Squad 326. On YouTube, Mod Squad 326. Check out all the VideoGates and you'll find that you're in there too. Aloha. Bye, bye, SmallDriver. I hear BusDriver. I hear BusDriver. Take care, BusDriver. I hear you too, BusDriver. Have a good one. Mod Squad gone. And now I don't.
Now you hear? Down, that down.
And now I don't.
All
right, SmallDriver, take care. Mod Squad gone. Aloha.